kind of stuck here. The cops won't bother me. First crash.
White ferry, and you see the cars are lining up to get into the ferry. There's an old bike right there, or it looks like an old bike store. There's also a grill here, so if you're look, the thing is coming in. I guess this used to be the old ferry. Look at that, that's the Seal Canal right there. And this is probably the only gravel road that this area has to offer. We're very limited on gravel here in the DC area, but there's still some fun to be had. I guess I am gonna go on the gravel road. I'm not used to riding gravel on the vstrom, especially with the dark side tire. But if cars can go through here, and they do go through here, it's should be easy enough on the vstrom and the dark side. You know, one thing I like to do is just spin my tires. Oh, look at this. Look, an eagle. That was cool. It's kind of scenic. When it's really dry, and I think it rained yesterday, so it's not dry, I like to... Hey, get out of here. I don't want to... Yeah, it rained, so it's... the dust is not really flying. But I love kicking up a lot of dust. Look at that, nice spin. Those guys from yesterday would have loved this little road here. It's so fun, like twisting the throttle and just spinning in gravel. Doesn't really happen in asphalt. But the key really is to kind of go with the flow. The bike does kind of loosen up on you. This is crushed gravel, so it's very easy to ride. You can get hurt in gravel, so be careful. 2 years ago when I rode cross country on the vstrom, I dropped the bike on gravel. I went over a hump and I didn't realize that it was turning. And I laid it on the left side, and the bike slid for quite some time. So I don't know how fast I was going, but you know, when you're out in the middle of Utah in a gravel road that goes forever, you kind of get used to it. So I think I was going a little bit over my limit, but this road is very flat. Sometimes I like to take sport guys through here. Some guys like it, some guys just refuse. Look at that, there's a farm over there. Look at that, the bike just slides. Okay, slides. Very fun. Oh yeah, look at the dust I'm kicking. That's very nice. That's when you know you're doing it right. You really don't have that much stopping power in the gravel. And make sure you don't hit your front brake too much. Very fun. The dark side tire surprisingly is doing fairly well. I haven't ridden too much with the dark side tire on gravel. When I did cross country, I didn't have the car tire. And I always slow down for the corner, especially in gravel. When you don't have... Whoa, that was a good slide. I was sliding sideways. Wow. It's really fun just squeezing the trigger on gravel and just sliding around a little bit. Oh man, oh, that rock just hit my foot. Ah, that hurt. By the way, this is a terrible idea to do it on the vstrom. You have to do it like very limited, because that rock could have definitely punctured my oil cooler and my filter. We're almost at the end. God damn, man. No, that definitely stung a little. Ooh, it's a little wet here. Here's the CO Canal. Thanks for riding with me, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Subscribe if you like this video. See ya.